Y'all went ahead and asked me some questions, and those are the questions that I'm going to come to you and answer today. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And we hit 13,000 subscribers on this channel. Yes, y'all, give yourself a round of applause, because I definitely couldn't have done this without you. Thank you so much for 13,000 subscribers. But I did promise you that at 13,000 subscribers, I will come to y'all with a Q&A video, my very first Q&A video on this channel. So if you want to get to know me a little bit better, you want me to answer all the questions that y'all ask me, go ahead and keep on watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, y'all. Also hit that notification bell so you can know anytime I post a new video. Let's get right into it. By the way, I know the first question is going to be about my hair, and I've already posted a video about these distressed locks. So I will link that video above. You can go ahead and watch that, okay? So first question out the way, we got that. First question says, what inspired you to become a beauty creator? That is a really good question. As far as beauty, I feel like I kind of got sucked into the beauty makeup industry arena because of what everybody else is doing on YouTube. So I am an avid YouTube watcher, y'all. I watch YouTube way more than I like contribute to YouTube. And a lot of the videos that I watch were beauty videos, makeup videos, so that's kind of how I got sucked into being a beauty creator, because I watched so many people do it that I wanted to make those types of videos myself. But the reason that I started doing like content overall is because I went natural in high school. I was watching again all the OGs on YouTube, the natural hair OGs on YouTube, like Natural 85, like Who is Sugar, like Mahogany Curls. All those people I used to watch, and I used to really want to be a YouTuber because of those people. But the makeup and stuff just kind of came from me, again, being on YouTube and watching everybody else do it, child. That was a really good question. Thank you, Lois, for that question. Next question says, congrats on hitting 13K. Thank you, Katika. What's a hairstyle you'd like to try but haven't yet? Ooh, this is a really good question. Because if you would have asked me this like 2 weeks ago, I would have said distressed locks was a hairstyle that I wanted to try but hadn't tried yet. But now, as you see, we got these locks in. I've tried a lot of hairstyles, I ain't even gonna lie. I haven't really tried like an intricate Fulani braids, cornrow braids hairstyle. That would be something that I want to do that I haven't done yet. And the only reason I haven't done it yet is because I really don't know how to cornrow that intricately. Thank you so much, Katika, for that question. Next question, it says, how are you so awesome? I know I'm awesome, but I don't necessarily think like, oh, I'm awesome. You know, it's kind of like a thing that just happens. You know, I think everybody is great in their own right. So I just think that you acknowledge my greatness. But I appreciate it though, and I will accept it. Next question says, why is Amber so annoying? Well, y'all, my friends, child. My friends they are annoying, but I love them dearly, and I love Amber dearly, and I can't really answer that question for you, girl. I think you need to answer that for yourself. Next question, once again from Amber, says, what are your hobbies outside of beauty? Do I have hobbies? At one point in time, I used to dance. Like way back in the day, I used to dance. So that used to be a hobby of mine. I don't really dance no more, child. I don't even know how to move my body anymore. Does watching Netflix count? Does watching YouTube count? I bullet journal. I think bullet journaling is a hobby of mine. At one point in time, I did have a bullet journal on Instagram, but I deleted it because I was just like, girl, some things you can keep to yourself. You don't have to share everything with everybody. Okay, so yes, so I do bullet journal. This is like my 3rd year bullet journaling, I believe. Let me find y'all a little appropriate page to show. I will leave an example of like what I do in my bullet journal on the screen. I've actually showed y'all it before. Can't think of any other hobbies off the top of my head, to be quite honest with you. Next question says, how do you stay motivated? And Lord have mercy, this is a very important question, and it's one that kind of ties back to what I was talking about. The way that I stay motivated is by planning. Then the only thing I have to do is execute my plan. So I really like to use my bullet journal for planning my content. That's YouTube content, that's Instagram content. No matter what, I like to use my bullet journal in order to plan it out. So I have some actionable items that I can just go ahead and execute when the time comes. I also stay motivated by just looking at the success of other people, especially my peers and my mutuals on Instagram, on Twitter, on YouTube. They stay on the grind, okay? Like, there are people that I'm mutuals with, they upload 3-4 times a week. They're always posting on Instagram, and that really helps me stay motivated as well, because I'm like, okay, they're doing it, they're balancing it with their full-time job or whatever, work, kids. They're finding a way to balance it, so I can go ahead and do that too. Now, I have to be careful with that because I can get into a place where I get really comparative, and that's never what I want, because comparison is a thief of joy, okay? I'm not trying to compare myself to other people, but I am trying to use other people to help fuel me and just know that, hey, if they can do it, they're just like me, I can do it too. Thank you for that question. Next question says, can I fly to Florida and have you give me box braids? No. Okay, I hate, emphasis on hate, doing other people's hair. Hey y'all, back at it again, trying to record this video because the last one didn't save all the way. So I know a lot of people have had this question. I've gotten emails about this question. I've gotten DMs about this question, and let me go ahead and clear the air. I do not do hair. I do not provide hair services, and that is 100% because I do not like doing other people's hair. I come on here and show you how to do it so that you can do it yourself, not because I want to provide hair services, not because I want to be a stylist or anything like that. That kind of ties into another question that I have, and I want to go ahead and answer that one. So it says, if you could, would you have a business doing hair for others? And again, the answer is no, y'all. No, I wouldn't. But thank you for that question. Next question says, who is my favorite person? I feel like I know the answer that you want me to give you, but I have to give my honest answer. My honest answer is that my favorite person is my 6-year-old cousin, Mackenzie. She is a mini me in a lot of ways. And then my daughter, of course. Next question says, how does it feel to have this much power to be ZAT GIRL? Y'all funny. Y'all be hyping me up. Y'all really be gassing, and I really appreciate y'all for that. Y'all always have my back, but I'm not doing it to like be that girl. I'm not doing it to compete with nobody else. You know, I'm just doing it because this is who I am, and this is something that I want to do. This is something that I want to pursue, and this is the, I guess, the level of expectation that I set for myself. Again, I won't deny at all. Thank you for that question. Next question says, what inspired you to start doing makeup? Congrats on 13K. Thank you so much. I feel like I kind of already answered that question at the beginning of the video. So next question says, how do you determine what's next on your platforms? Thank you, Christina. As far as determining what's next, I try to make sure that I'm plugged in with what's going on Twitter. So there are a lot of trends. Of course, you know, Black Twitter creates the trends, honey. We are the trends. Just making sure that I'm plugged in and seeing what my community is reacting to. Also, I make sure I have a running list of content that I want to produce or hairstyles that I want to try. Any ideas that pop up, I keep a running list in my phone to make sure that I'm crossing out things when I do them, adding things when I see some inspiration. Just trying to keep inspiration from different sources. So thank you again for that question. That was an excellent question. I think I answered all the questions if I'm not mistaken. Thank you to everybody who sent in a question. Y'all give me so much good feedback on the content that I should bring y'all, what you want to see, and you respond so well and so positively to my content. I just really appreciate that, and I want y'all to know that we would not be here without y'all. When should I do like a huge giveaway? What's a milestone number that I need to hit to do a huge giveaway? Maybe like 20,000? I don't know. I appreciate y'all so much, and I can't wait to film another video of this nature because we're gonna be hitting all our milestones this year. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. Also, like this video so that YouTube can share with other people. Follow me on Instagram at JaiChanellie. We are like this close to hitting 2,000 followers on there. Make sure you're also following my hair page. Let me know if you want more videos of like just me, you know, sitting down, talking with y'all. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.